Hello folks, I'm called as Raghunandan Wadla. I'm part of National Ideation Day. Our mission is to make India a developer country. Many jobs are being lost, my dear friends, because of this COVID-19. One of my friends, he works as a software engineer, he lost his jobs. One of my friends, with heavy heart, he had to shut down his company, which was giving employment to around 25 people. One of my friends who owns a travel company, she had to shut down her company with heavy heart. No sector is spared right now. Many people are losing their jobs. Hundreds and millions of jobs are being lost because of this COVID 19. This COVID 19 has not only taken lives of people, also it is taking livelihoods of the people. That is the sad part of this COVID 19. And this situation will become more worse, situation will become more uglier, situation will become more scarier in future. What we can do, that is what we thought of. And we have come up with a module that can help you. The module name is Self Success Story. And the name is apparent, Self Success Story, wherein you need to create your own success. We will be giving you some formulas, we'll be giving you some tools, we'll be giving you some activities, we'll be providing you with the community, with the help of community. You can make yourself accountable. And that is what we want to give you. And friends, let me tell you my story. My BTech, I got less percentage. I got second class, and after second class, all companies were only looking for people who were first class. So I happened to go to various companies and search for a job, but everywhere I was rejected. Doors were shut for me. What did I do? I happened to work under a lawyer. A lawyer, can you imagine a software engineer working under a lawyer? Because I needed experience. I worked under a lawyer for 3 months because he had a product. I learned something there. And then I happened to work in a company wherein they also did not pay me anything. I happened to work there for 6 months without taking pay. And later, I got opportunities to work in MNCs. And finally, I got into my dream company that is TCS, and there I left that company in good terms. I was offered promotion when I was leaving the company. However, my direction was different. My direction was to help youth of India. My direction was to spend time with children so that how I can better them, how I can help them to realize their stories, their real stories. That was my direction. And friends, the time was testing time for me, but I did not give up that time. And this is also a testing time for us. We should not give up. We should fight it out. This COVID-19, we need to fight it out. And friends, we got this product, Self Success Story. And we all together can fight it out. And this is time for upskilling ourselves. This is time for us to become more stronger emotionally. This is time for us to become more stronger physically. This is time for us to realize what we are made for. That is what we strongly believe. So that is the reason we have come up with Self Success Story program. And India is the most vulnerable country right now with more than 70% of youth population. In India, we are most vulnerable. And it is for us to realize, to create our story. And we are going to help you to do that with the product that we are giving you for free. And friends, what you need to do, you just need to message to the number that is being displayed on the screen. Message to the number, be part of it. Let us make this world a better place. Let us create our stories. So this is the message that we want to convey. Thank you so much. More power to you, more success to you, all the best.